alone.
Yeah.
Hmm.
If you're working anywhere,
Hmm.
suppose when you will turn 40 and 50,
Hmm.
your child will also need to find other job.
Hmm.
But you're doing your own work, your child don't need. Your child doesn't need to find a job.
Hmm.
He can start. He can work with you.
So, bro, what will happen if everyone start business? What about the salaried people? MNCs and all that. Who will work on that?
It's not piece of cake. Everyone can just start his own business.
Hmm.
To start business, it takes pains. It needs effort
Hmm.
as well as it needs also capital.
So why is
Only
it?
hardly 5%. 5% they just try to just start their business.
Hmm. So, bro, why did it happen that most of the people they give advice you should do business? Salaried person are they are employed person, even they are servant. Like they taught you many variety of things, but still they give you advice to work the business. So why, bro? If the business is that much complicated, then why people give advice to do the business even though they are working under someone?
Yeah, I observed and I figure out also. Actually, they are in trap of family maintenance, family expenses. If my father advised me, yes, you can start your business. Suppose my father is just working somewhere else, that's a salary person. So it would be tough for my father.
Hmm.
But for me, it wouldn't be tough.
Hmm.
As for my father, we have freedom to do anything, learn anything, experience, take risks, ups and downs we can go. But if you once get tied a knot, then you will have bunch of responsibility. Before taking risk,
Yeah.
you will scratch twice and thrice your head.
So the question arise. Suddenly it is strike on my head. Like the question is that whose life was good? Like at our father ages, like where they got tired with they got know they know the tired by someone. Like at the age of very young age, and now these days, now they want to educate their child, and then he start working. After that, they will get tired now. So which life was good?
If you, if I have to opt one,
Yeah.
either, so yeah, I will like to go with our family style.
First tie the knot and after that take the responsibility and you have to work. It's your compulsion.
Then yeah, it would be compulsion for you. You will
Yeah,
be
you have
born.
to nurture.
You will be born to work. You wouldn't scratch your head. What
Yeah.
should I do? No,
Now
it's compulsion. It
first,
must be done.
so what will happen now? Family will they, won't have just remind you have to work. Your wife will definitely kick you on the ass and you will get revenge. Now I have to work. Now I have to work.
You won't be
Do and die situation. It will come.
you won't be motivated. You will be taunt every day. You will be taunted. Just go job. How long time will you sleep?
Yeah, like it's become a motivation.
Yeah, motivation.
That's why most of the older people they were on a work. It doesn't matter. They are working at the lower level or higher level, but still they are working. But currently, most of the people are unemployed and they are educated.
Yeah, they are illegitimate.
They are illegitimate because they don't have responsibility. They invest their time on just girls and chatting and thinking about how to get the girls and to get about the pleasure from the television for many more things, drinking and alcohol.
Yeah, actually they don't have
Hmm.
any work to do something. So that's why. Actually we have to cultivate something positive.
Hmm.
Either there is not neutral option here.
Hmm.
We can just place on neutral option.
Hmm.
I don't have to just consume positive or negative.
Hmm.
I have to be neutral. Not there is not neutral option. If you are not consuming positive, negative will be consumed by you.
Hmm.
So just put yourself in positive habits and have it decide our future.
Hmm.
And just master courage, try to do new things.
Yeah.
Full of adventure. Yeah, life should be full of
Life,
adventures.
We should we shouldn't be serious that much.
Yeah. And if there is 50% chance, at least, so try.
Yeah, definitely. At least you will you won't regret at the end.
Yeah, if there is 50% chance.
Hmm.
If I don't try, then there is 100% chance of failure.
Yeah.
At least
Yeah, bro. Practically, it is said that there is a 100% chance of failure, but if you try, then there is a 50% chance.
50% chance of success. Why not? We should go with 50%
Definitely, we
rather
should
than
choose the
100%.
yeah, we should definitely choose the second one, 50%. Why would we choose the 100% failure?
Yeah, it could be. And I believe if you put your effort, if you do work, you will get return.
Yeah, definitely.
God too fair with
Most
everyone.
of the people, they take the only half step. They don't want to, take the full step. So that's the reason they are, not determined and obsessed with their work. They are doing just because they have the confusion whether it will work or not. He has to believe that it will work.
Yeah, you are the best.
You are the best because you are the best.
You are
The
the
reason
best.
is the best. The reason for your bestness is you are the best.
Yeah, you have enough resources. But maybe someone just
Hmm.
keep on making excuse.
Hmm.
I don't have resources to start business. Always just blame and like excuse mindset.
Actually, when I was coming through the Sanjay Nagar, I saw a person who selling the bananas on the cycle,
Bicycle.
bicycles. Can you imagine, like he hasn't any hawker, but still he was selling out. If he made the excuses like I don't have any hawkers and I don't have any shop, then do you really think that he can sell out?
Yeah, it could be possible.
No.
He's enjoying his work. Not enjoying, but he loves his work rather than to work someone under.
Opportunity is everywhere. We need to find it.
We need to just turn our mindset. What can be done by me, not what can't I do.
That guy didn't see, like it's a problem. He see as opportunity. Being on bicycle.
I has on bicycle. Oh yeah, that's thankful God. I have bicycle. There are many big on chapter.
That's the reason. Most of the people are unable to find the opportunity. They only focus on the problem.
If they find opportunity, so they find